I'm Abby Glenn, and I'm with Habitat for Humanity of Springfield, Missouri, and I'm here with Jennifer Williams, who's one of our partner home buyers, and Jennifer has graciously agreed to take us on a tour of her new Habitat home. So, take it away, Jennifer.
All right, well, here's the living room / kitchen. I like that it's open floor plan. We did paint as soon as we got into the house, so normally all the rooms are cream colored, but I liked color, so as soon as we got the keys, we painted. So here's the kitchen. Everything is right there together, so it really makes it easy and nice to cook. Okay, if I can figure out the right light switch. Laundry room with some laundry. Extra touch.
And when you moved into your house, Jennifer, did you get to help pick some of the furnishings and kind of that process of going through the home buying program?
I normally get to pick the cabinets and the flooring and then like the light fixture color. I think what else? The outside color, so I like red. I think that's it. You know, ceiling fans were an extra. You do get some flex money to pick extra things like ceiling fans or washer and dryer, you know, some things you may not have that you're going to need right away. So yeah, with my house, since it was a renovation, they had already picked the cabinet color and the flooring, but I liked both choices, so it worked out well. Here is the main bath. I'm gonna all share that, and then this is my son's room. And my house is a 4-bedroom house, so it has a bath and a half. And then my room, which is my favorite room of the house. And then I have a little half bath in my room, which is nice. You don't have to share.
And how quickly after you moved in did you customize and paint with your own colors and decorate?
We did it right after the dedication ceremony. So we changed clothes and broke out the paint and got most everything painted that night. We did the bathrooms later just because it got too late that day. But within a month, everything was painted how I wanted it.
That's awesome.
And we do have a little entry closet for coats and stuff like that, so that's nice. The house does have a lot of storage. This is another bedroom. All the bedrooms have walk-in closets, so yeah, we have plenty of space. And the last bedroom. And then we have a nice shed out back for things like the lawnmower, you know, Christmas decorations, stuff like that. So plenty of space throughout the house and even in the back. So
that's awesome. Is there any one thing in your house that's your favorite? Like, what's your favorite part of your house?
My favorite part is my bedroom. You know, I got to pick out all the furniture that I put in there, and I really like the color, and it's just a very peaceful, serene place to be.
Mm-hmm. You've been in your house for a couple months now, right?
I moved in May.
May? Okay. So have you had any good family experiences or favorite moments that you've had here in your family?
We had a baby shower for my oldest daughter here, so that was a fun way to use the house. We had a pumpkin carving party last month. We're hosting Thanksgiving at the house this month, and then we're going to have Christmas. You know, every month we've had a different get-together with friends and family, so it's been nice to have a nice house to be able to do that.
Yeah, that's awesome. Well, thanks for taking us on a tour of your beautiful house.
You're welcome.